Okay guys, this is a guitar lesson for Blake Shelton's Gods Country. Alright, so we're going to capo on the 3rd fret because Blake capos on the 3rd fret. You know, that's how they're actually playing it, and I can see that even the background instruments, a couple of those guys have their self capoed on the 3rd fret. So we know that's where we're at, and it sounds right and allows you to play along. That way we can call this an A minor instead of having to bar a C minor. So when you see it, this is the top of the guitar. That's where your capo goes. Now don't worry, I'm going to break this down into simplest terms, playing my guitar. I'm going to give you an idea though what it's going to sound like with an entire band, with the whole thing. So I want to give you an idea how this is going to play out, and then I'm going to break it down for you, okay? Right outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thinking when it's falling, cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it in a plate, and I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of the men found, they say whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but it didn't stick around. This is God's country. We're going to start with a simple version, okay? We're going to start with the easiest to learn, and then we'll work our way up a little bit, okay? So we're capo 3rd fret, A minor, do the hand and fingerings for A minor, C, D minor, and back to A minor, back to A minor. I saw the light in a sunrise and back on a 40 in the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. So really, he's just strumming each chord. I mean, the whole song, just strumming it. And you can play the whole song that way. Just strum those chords, equal counts for each one of them. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's it. That's the whole song. Now, there are some background instruments that add a lot of flavor. And if you're playing this by yourself, you want to add a few of them. Capo needs adjusting. Don't be afraid to adjust your capo a little bit. Okay. So the way I'm doing it, the middle finger of my chordings is the one that I'm just up, down, on the D string. I'm sorry. Yeah, on the D string. On the D string. I'm going up, then I'm hammering down. So I'm picking it, then I'm letting the finger fall on the note to get the. Okay. I'm switching to the C, but I'm still on the D string, hammering that. I'm going to the D minor. Now I'm hammering on the G string, but I'm still with that middle finger. And that background instrument, doing that adds a lot of flavor if you're going to do it by yourself. So, you know. Right outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land that ain't my ground. This is God's country. Right outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land that ain't my ground. This is God's country. All right. So I hope you guys can play this song now and enjoy it. Learning the words is probably the most difficult part because the chords are the same 3 chords over and over. And to be honest with you, I don't know the words all the way yet. That's why I'm reading them from the screen. Okay, listen, if you found this lesson helpful, if you would subscribe and click the little bell. And I'll tell you why. Because people who create like me, we put it on YouTube, and if nobody watches it, then you don't feel compelled to make any more. You know, you don't feel compelled to keep going. I want to keep making guitar lessons. I'd like to feel like this is something that helps people and something people enjoy, so I can keep doing it. The motivation. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Have a great day.